Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to see how to make a vintage scrapbooking memory stickers. So for the journals and all we are using, so we are going to share two tips. So first step, we are going to need a black paper and a white marker or pen or any whitener. So if you take a black paper, you have to just do it in this way, and then you have to cut it using a scissor. So we have cut it. Now we have to put some dots in this way. So let's finish this dot. So we have completed. So in this way I can make, this is the step number 1. So for step number 2, so the materials which are required is a white paper and a sketch pen, or you can use a marker. So first of all, you have to draw in this way to put all this black marker outside over here and so let's do it. So yeah friends, now I had just completed this drawing. Now using scissor cut out all this one and outer line. So yeah, we have finished this drawing. So we have known now 2 tips to do this one. So I guess this one is very easy way, and it is a time saving way, and it is very easy to do from this, and this one looks a bit nicer than this. So yeah, I just said this 2 tips to do how to do. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell which is near the subscribe button. So if you want more journal related videos, you will get in my upcoming videos. So thanks for watching friends. Bye bye.